Hi, we're Sharon and George Marshall, and we moved into our fabulous Alatalo house on October 12th. I started looking at real estate sites, and I kept coming back to this particular house. It was really just a mock-up in the floor plan. No matter whose real estate site I looked at, I always ended up back at this house. So finally I tracked it back to Alatalo. It was just amazing. There was absolutely no stress. There were a lot of laughs, and we really and truly feel like part of the family. We had most of this furniture and most of our things, and so we had certain colors that we wanted to go with. And that's the great thing about Annie. She doesn't try and tell you what you like. She listens to what you say and goes with your program. And it was all just really fun. I think we picked out everything, except the nails. I saw the stone that we put out front and had to have that. And I just love how it looks. And I think that it really sets off the house. I love everything about it. I just love this house. I like to cook, and I like to cook here more. The cabinetry, the flare cabinets does a superb job. They're just beautiful, and you have so many choices. It's good to have a vague idea what you want before you're confronted with 500 different choices for a cabinet door.
Just easy to clean. I do the vacuuming and I clean up the mess after there's any mess at all usually.
We really like the outside, the alfresco area a lot. We spend a lot of time there because even on the really hot days, it's always cool under there, particularly with the ceiling fan. 3 chickens, Doris, Betty, and Madge. Lay a lot of eggs, really a lot of eggs for 3 chicks. I do a lot of sewing, so that's my little hidey hole where George has the men's shed. I go into my sewing room, computer room. There's nothing to fault. And anyone who says building a house is one of the most stressful things you'll ever do hasn't tried to build with Alatalo. That's what I have to say.